नमस्कार, I, Ashok Kumar Gupta, Vice Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Greater Noida, on behalf of Principal and staff, welcome you all, congratulate you, and also extend my best wishes on this auspicious day, National Sports Day. I am really excited to express my views on this day. We commemorate birth anniversary of great legend hockey wizard Major Dhyanchand Singh. Apart from doing this, we also want to make nation more educated towards being fit and healthy. Nation also confers many sports personalities who have done outstanding contributions in many fields of games and sports. Please have a look on the presentation. Here are some interesting facts about Major Dhyanchand Singh. He was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, honored with Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian honor, nominated for Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award. He had joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 and retired with the rank of a major in 1956. 400 international goals and 1000 goals in his entire career in 22 years during the period of 1926 to 1948. Three Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932, and 1936. The legends say that Adolf Hitler had offered Dhyanchand German citizenship and a position in German military following his brilliant performance in 1936 Berlin Olympics. Sir Don Bradman, one of the greatest batsmen of all time, on seeing Dhyanchand said, "You score goals like runs." He died on 3rd December 1979 from liver cancer at AIIMS Delhi. The National Stadium, Delhi was renamed Dhyanchand National Stadium in 2002. A postal stamp was also introduced in 1980 by the Government of India in the name of Wizard. There are many sports awards in India. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Top Award, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award for the coaches, and Major Dhyanchand Award. This year, 2020 National Sports Awards, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 5, Dronacharya Award 13, Arjuna Award 27, Dhyanchand Award 15, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Maka Trophy 1, राष्ट्रीय खेल रत्न प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार 4. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award it is highest civilian award to outstanding sports person. An awardee receive a medal, certificate, a blazer, and a cash prize of 7.5 lakh from the president. These are the winners of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2020. Rohit Sharma, Cricket; Mariappam T, Para Athletics; Monica Batra, Table Tennis; Vinesh, Wrestling; Rani, Hockey. Arjuna Award. A recipient of Arjuna Award get bronze statue of Arjuna, a scroll, a blazer, and cash prize of rupees 5 lakh by the president. List of Arjuna Award winners 2020. 27 awardees. Dronacharya Award, highest award to the eminent coaches. An awardee gets a bronze statue of Dronacharya, a certificate, ceremonial dress, a cash prize of rupees 5. Here is the list of winners of Dronacharya Award in the year 2020. Dhyanchand Award, highest award to the eminent players of all time for lifetime achievement in sports and games. Awarded by the president, and an awardee gets a bronze statue of Dhyanchand, a certificate, ceremonial dress, and cash prize of rupees 5 lakh. राष्ट्रीय खेल प्रोत्साहन पुरस्कार, highest award to encourage involvement of corporate and sports promotion boards in development of sports in the country. awarded by the president. KVS has also done wonderful job in the field of games and sports. So, recipient of this award. Here are two legends of cricket, Mr. Kapil Dev and Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, made India won Cricket World Cup two times in the history. Now, a natural question arises: how does National Sports Day relevant to us in this COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is yes. It lays stress on incorporating sports in our life. Sports can be incorporated in our life in two ways. Number one, sports as a career or dream. Number two, sports as a lifestyle hobby. Here I am highlighting second point first, sports as a lifestyle. In my vantage view, sports should be integral part of everyone, whether it's a child, youth, youngster, adult or old person, because it's a way of life. If someone is doing yoga daily, a range of yogic activities starting from Surya Namaskar, Pranayam, and many more. If someone is also walking 3 to 5 kilometers daily, jogging, and also doing aerobic activities, etc., he is living a sports life style. He has incorporated sports in his lifestyle. He is getting many things from the sporting lifestyle: mental peace, physical fitness, good health and immunity, above all, motivation in the life, kick in the life. Sports connects body, mind and soul. While remain inside during pandemic, you can also adopt many sport activities according to your choice, availability and your adaptability. One thing I would say, without sports life, we are inching towards and rapidly. So we must incorporate sports activities in our daily life. KVS has also taken a leap in this connection. It launched Fit India campaign last year. This year we are also campaigning Fit India Freedom Run. We are receiving numerous videos from students and staff. It shows their motivation. I would finish my speech with following concluding remarks with respect to the COVID-19 pandemic. Number one, group sporting activities are at the bay. Soon, we have to kick-start them also. We have to facilitate the young players in respect of infrastructure, coaching and other resources. Number 3 point, during COVID-19 pandemic, it is really a challenge to keep all sports persons in mainstream who were getting their perks, bread and butter from the job of coaches, gym trainers, instructors, etc. Thank you.